Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to set up your business profile. So this is a way for you to customize the way your business information appears on estimates, invoices, and to customize some of the preferences that you want to set for your business, such as your currency or payroll schedule. So we're going to go ahead and tap on the gear icon and select business profile. You can also modify your individual profile, but that is going to be unique to you as a user and not the business as a whole. So the first thing you'll see here is our default logo that we provide. If you have your own logo and you want to change it, just tap on the image and select the appropriate file. Next, you can go ahead and modify some of the identifying information, business name, email, phone number. As you scroll down, you'll see something called email signatures. This is where you can customize the way outgoing emails that are sent from the app will appear to the clients who receive them. So when you're sending them an invoice or an estimate, you can have your own unique message appear along with those documents. The next thing you're going to want to do is set your payroll schedule. So this will be important when recording employee timesheets. And finally, you'll want to set your language, currency, and time zone for your business. So just go ahead and select your option from each of the following menus. So now we'll just verify that the information is correct and hit save. And now if we just navigate over to an invoice, we'll see our logo and business information that we just entered in the business profile. And that's it. If you have any questions or comments that you want to share with us, please feel free to send us an email, support@probuild.app. Thanks for using Probuild.